Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login errors within the Microsoft Teams application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Microsoft Teams application on your device, but when you're trying to log into your account, you get various different errors which doesn't allow you to access and use the application properly, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing that you must do is to make sure that you are using the correct credentials for your account. If you are using the correct email address and password, but still you are unable to access your account, then you will need to contact the customer support team. Just open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and search for Microsoft Teams. Once you find the Microsoft Teams application, go ahead and tap on it and scroll down until you see App Support. Now, from the App Support page, tap on the drop down button and then tap on the email address that you see within. Now you can simply select your email application to compose a new email. Within the subject section, just type in failed login, and then in the main body, type in that you are using your correct email address and password but still you are unable to access your account. Then make sure to only mention your email address or your username and not your password. Finally, click on the send button, and now this will send your email to the support team. Once your email has been sent, you will simply need to wait for them to respond. Once you receive a response from the support team, you can just follow the instructions within to regain access into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to fix the login issues that you are facing within the Microsoft Teams application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.